everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be trying Outre Swoop series number 2. Listen, when I saw this online, I said, I have to get this. So here we go. Ooh, like, look, first of all, look at how this hair comes in the package. Look at that. This alone is telling me that's gonna be bomb. And I love the variation of color. So this is the color that the lace naturally comes in. Let's see. Oh. This wig said, you don't even have to style me. I'ma just work for you. Did y'all see that when I sat down? Just saying. Hold on. Hold on a second. I ain't even do nothing to this wig, y'all. What? Let me look at the lace. So I have not sprayed it or done anything. I just want to see how the wig is looking right now. This is how it looks with my concealer color just under. So far so good. And sometimes I like to go in and put the concealer color over too as well, just to try to blend it in a little bit more. But this is pretty good. I don't think I'll ever do the sides. I mean, maybe. I usually don't. I usually just like tuck it behind my ear or something. So this is how the wig naturally just falls on my head. I have not combed it. I have not done a thing. Okay. Okay. We're gonna brush this thing. All right, Vanessa. All right. Okay. So let's start from the bottom. I think it would be better if I had a round brush for this, but it's okay. This hair is a vibe. You cannot tell me anything. This hair is a vibe. This hair is a vibe. Like, who am I? Okay. I think with these, oh, and the texture feels so nice. Kind of like a yaki texture. And for this, one thing I hate about synthetic wigs and what makes them look really synthetic is the shininess of it. You just know when you're looking at a synthetic wig because it's just unusually shiny. But this hair, it doesn't have that synthetic shininess. And the texture is chef's kiss. It's not too straggly. It's not plasticky. It's like a yaki texture, but it's kind of like smooth and silky at the same time. Outre, you are doing your thing. Excuse me, pardon me to say, you are doing the dang thing. What? Like, this is a vibe. I've never bought a synthetic wig where I feel like I don't have to do anything to the wig. Y'all, I don't feel like I have to cut layers. I don't feel like I have to like flatten the back. Photographer, where are you? Somebody bring me a photographer. Somebody, please. Cause I'm looking a little too good right now. I'm looking a little too good right now. Photographer! We need you on deck. Cause the news is breaking right now. The news is breaking right now. We got a good looking shorty in room 3. Y'all, if you put on a wig and a wig don't make you feel this good, take that wig back. Listen, Outre understood the assignment with this wig. Okay. Outre understood the assignments with this wig. Come on now. Hey! Like, I need to look at myself in the mirror for the next 10 minutes. So, this is the wig. This video is pretty much gonna be short because I didn't have to do anything to the wig. I literally cut the lace. I did not even spray it on yet. I didn't spray my got to be or anything yet. I tucked these parts behind my ear because, to be honest, I don't like doing the whole thing anyway. I put my contour color on the lace. I popped the Bad Baby on. Did not even have to brush it, and it was already looking good. This is a put on and go kind of wig. Like, this wig just changed the name from, I mean, Swoop though. Swoop though. Swoop for real. Swoop for real. And put under understood the assignment wig. Outre, your headline needs to be, we understand the assignment. But y'all, that's it. The video's done. The wig is bomb.com. I don't even have to say anything else. Let me show you the back. Alrighty, everyone. I hope you enjoyed me looking good as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any other looks, any other wigs you want me to try on, let me know. Link in bio, information all there. You know what to do. Subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. Bye. Until next time.